Sophia Robot can display human-like expressions and interact with people. She can be used for research, education, and entertainment. She can promote public discussion about AI ethics and the future of robotics. Sophia uses voice recognition technology. She uses cameras that are combined with computer algorithms and allows her to see. Sophia Robot can follow faces, sustain eye contact, and recognize individuals. teslabot is a bipedal humanoid robot that can perform dangerous, repetitive, and boring tasks. It is also known as Optimus. It can relieve humans of unsafe duties by offering manufacturing assistance through automation and logistics. It can help millions of people, from picking up groceries to cooking and to caring for elderlies. It is a robotic welding device. The Tesla robot does not need breaks or lunch breaks. It can work 24/7 if required. It is equipped with wireless connectivity, audio support, and hardware-level security features.